Information on e-invoicing. E-invoicing or electronic invoicing is a system where all business-to-business (B2B) invoices are authenticated electronically by the Goods and Services Tax Network (GSTN) for further use on the common GST portal. This system was implemented by the Indian government to ensure more efficient and transparent invoicing processes, reduce tax evasion, and streamline the GST filing process. Key features of e-invoicing in India. 1. Mandate and scope. E-invoicing was first introduced on October 1st, 2020, for businesses with a turnover of over 500 crore rupees, approximately $70 million. The scope has been gradually expanded, and as of 2024, it applies to businesses with an annual turnover of 5 crore rupees, about 600,000 USD, and above. B. It is mandatory for B2B transactions as well as for exports. However, B2C, business-to-consumer transactions, are not currently covered under the e-invoicing mandate. Second, Invoice Registration Portal, IRP. A. Businesses must generate invoices in their own accounting or billing software, which should comply with the e-invoicing format specified by the GST Council.RB. The invoice details are then uploaded to the Invoice Registration Portal, IRP. The IRP validates the information and generates a unique invoice reference number YRN and a QR code. This IRN must be printed on the invoice before it is shared with the buyer. 3. Format and content. A. The e-invoice format is standardized, and all invoices must include mandatory fields such as the supplier's and buyer's GSTN, invoice number, date, value, item rate, tax rate, and tax amount, among other details. B. The format is based on the PEPPOL PAN European Public Procurement Online Standard, which allows for the interoperability of electronic invoices. Fourth, integration with GST and e-way bill system. A. Once an invoice is registered and authenticated, its details are automatically transferred to the GST system, making the GST return filing process easier and reducing the risk of errors. E-invoicing is also integrated with the e-way bill system, which means the details of the invoice can be auto-populated into the e-way bill portal, further streamlining logistics compliance. 5. Benefits of e-invoicing. A. Reduced compliance burden. With e-invoicing, businesses can avoid duplicate data entry and streamline the process of generating and managing invoices. B. Minimize tax evasion. Since every invoice is authenticated through a centralized portal, it becomes difficult for businesses to manipulate invoices or underreport sales. C. Faster ITC claims. Buyers can claim input tax credit, ITC, more efficiently since the invoice data is already available on the GST portal. D. Improved transparency and tracking. Authorities can better track the flow of goods and services, and discrepancies can be easily identified. 6. Challenges and considerations. A. Technology. Readiness. Small businesses may need time and resources to upgrade their billing systems to comply with e-invoicing standards. B. Internet connectivity. E-invoicing relies on internet connectivity, which can be a challenge in remote or rural areas. C. Change management. Businesses need to train their staff and possibly re-engineer their billing and invoicing processes to adapt to the new system.